Yo, you got everything packed for the cruise tomorrow?
Oh, yeah, girl. I just need to try everything on. Make sure everything's cute. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I'm looking good.
I see what you're saying, girl. I see what you're saying.
What up, guys?
Oh, hey.
Hey, girl.
You ready for the cruise tomorrow?
Yo, I'm super excited. What?
You sick?
No.
How long you been coughing?
Since last night.
And you came here knowing we're going on a cruise tomorrow? Coughing?
Bro, I'm fine.
You're sick!
Guys, I'm okay.
How dare you? How freaking dare you, man? Why would you even
Like, you
come
know
here?
we have the cruise. You know we're about to be out.